I'm about to open all this up, and you can see where I put a screen in there, but there wasn't even a screen before to keep the rats out. It was just a big, huge open hole, and anything and everything could just go right in there, including mice and rats. I ended up tearing the whole dash apart, taking all the parts and cleaning them out with Dawn dishwashing liquid to try to get the smell out and all the rat's nest out. And then I put this metal screen in here, which I doubled up before I put the dash back in. Remember when I said there'd been rats and mice were getting in the car before I put that metal screen there? Look at the chew marks on that. Destructive little animals, aren't they? Now I'll take this over to the water hose and wash it real good before I put it back together. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching and commenting.
Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Put your questions down below. Until next week, get off the couch, get dirty.